Today we want to talk about an important issue that affects us all: protecting tortoises. These incredible creatures have been on our planet for millions of years, but their populations are declining due to habitat loss, poaching, and climate change. We need to take action to protect tortoises and their habitats. We can start by reducing our carbon footprint, supporting conservation efforts, and spreading awareness about the importance of protecting these amazing animals. Let's work together to make a difference and ensure that tortoises continue to thrive for generations to come. Tortoises crossing tar roads are indeed vulnerable to being killed by vehicles. This is a significant threat to their populations, especially in areas where their habitats overlap with roads. Drivers often don't notice them or can't stop in time, leading to tragic accidents. Some ways to mitigate this include speed reduction. Slowing down in areas known for tortoise activity can help prevent accidents. Wildlife crossings. Creating safe passages or tunnels for tortoises to cross roads can reduce risks. And awareness. Educating drivers about tortoise habitats and the importance of watching out for them can make a huge difference. What do you think can be done to protect tortoises on roads? Please like, comment, and subscribe on our channel.